Okay, this recording is for Wendy at Marion County Tax Assessor's Office regarding the farm deferral. And if you recall from the imagery, this was all piles of slash from the trees that were cut down, and we got those all burned off, and we have just a couple piles that didn't burn that all have to burn off. Coming past the house here, on the left there is all pasture mix that we originally had just a ton of dandelions in it, and so we sprayed everything out and planted the pasture mix. Then my wife mowed it to keep it from getting out of control, and we're going to let it grow up and see what this pasture mix will come up with. We had it, so we figured we'd go ahead and use it and see what happens. Trying to keep all this watered is pretty difficult. And there's a place to the right and to the left of those trees that is, again, all in the pasture mix. And right now I'm going to fly out to 59th Street and go down 59th and show you the second 5 acres, which we just crossed over into with those trees that we passed. And as you can see, we've done a lot of tilling in and around the trees, and also on the majority of the 5 acres that's there. Unfortunately, all of my family got COVID at the same time, and so our plans to move a greenhouse and then retop all of the greenhouses didn't happen. It was pretty bad when everybody in the family had COVID at the same time. So we lost about a month there. And this has all been planted. Any place where you see dirt has been planted in crimson clover. And right now I'm just flying the boundaries and kind of showing you maybe some areas that you would not see from the satellite imagery. And we try and keep a little bit of buffer between us and our neighbors because they're all grass seed farmers rather. And we're kind of a buffer between 2 different owners that have 2 different types of seed. And right in the middle we're trying to grow crimson clover without interfering with their operation. So we're keeping as much about a 10-foot buffer around the edges so not to interfere with them. So that's about it. Swing around here and show you one final look, and